Dad, good morning, guys. Dad's feeding the birds.
Louder.
Good morning, guys. Dad's feeding.
Just talk. Morning, guys. Dad is feeding the birds. Seagulls and
There's
no,
thousands of them.
seagulls and what's that? Crow.
And there's another one.
So many are coming. Hello. They're having fiesta.
No. People could just watch that.
Just throw it, Dad. Lugay. Oy. Throw it there, oh, in the front.
Oh my God! There's hundreds of them.
Hello, so many.
They're coming from
Tindog,
every
tindog.
direction.
Stand up. So many are coming. Look. Sit in my here, in my knee.
Oh my God, this is not easy.
That's all? That's all? That's all the bread? Is that all? We are too late. No more.
We don't have any bread.
How many birds then?
Thousands.
Yeah, they're still eating.
Mom, it's like a bird fiesta.
Bird are still coming.
That's a lot, eh?
Mom, we can go.
Let's go. It's raining.